Ka soka India kala penjari da karukam pentrikam hak bagi nang song bari ban yo jing mentoy na skim sokal pedeng ki hab bandon Aadhaar number nama kani kendon ke blabo ke soka India bun ba ki paj ba hak jela mekhaya ki bai kendu jing na ka jing bum don Aadhaar ni nama bakim kwa ban lai Aadhaar ka director ka food and civil supplies ka jela ka Dr. Saloni Balma habakran menta ka sngi ka apkhnai trik nairo ajra psan ka ong ba soka India ka pha yak jing tho bun sei nandu banai lebel menta usnem ba baro ki bayo jing mentoy na skim soka pedeng khamtam jong ka National Food Security Act aja khalai kidai bandon Aadhaar number bar ki bum don Aadhaar kin syakta Henry hadu menta ka soka India kampat ong ni btha Eiei ba ki bum don Aadhaar number kindu gi mentoy ka Dr. Solni ka ong ba ki don aphuai lak Ngut kibayo ni mentoy nagi marbam ka soka India hak ni jela mekhaya bat ki balale Aadhaar ki don tang kumba sau phokandai persen ni ka bamut ki don tang kumba siphau lak Ngut Eiei katkum ka jing ong ka director ka food and civil supplies ka jing duna ki basion Aadhaar kala bandai namar ba kimpat yo ya ka jing pensyai ka babyang bat ka don kam ka jing psuthu ka basyai khnang bakin om suthu nesya yalam bakla hakan National Food Security Act ki longyeng ki bagi khot ki PHH ni priority household kin yo san kilo Khaw manu benai kat ba ki longyeng antu dia yojana kin yo Khaw lai pho kilo si benai.
So you see, the government of India has been pushing for Aadhaar seeding not just in the supply department but in various departments and schemes, all related to social welfare, to needy beneficiaries getting what they deserve. And the logic behind that is simple, so that the right beneficiary gets the allotment meant for them. If your Aadhaar is not seeded, then there are many cases where through identity fraud or through impersonation, somebody else can take the entitlement that is meant for you. So once you authenticate your Aadhaar, once you do your eKYC, there is a guarantee that only you will get the entitlement meant for you. That's the logic behind this. And once eKYC is done, we have this overarching software which is called Smart PDS, through which we can actually track granularly, okay, which beneficiary has not gotten. Then right till the FPS level, one can do proper inquiry, proper grievance redressal. Without Aadhaar seeding, it's very difficult, because then there is always this, the fair price shop dealer, somebody can say, oh no, but I have distributed, look, this register is there, this person has signed. So the reason for Aadhaar seeding is ensuring that the right deserving person gets the rice. Now coming to why the number is less in our state. I mean, I've been in this supply department for 8 months now, 8 months or maybe a little less, 6 months actually, not even 8 months. And in my experience, I can say that I think there is also lack of awareness. I think that is where we as the department need to work harder. We need to reach remote and rural places much more vigorously, so that they actually understand the importance of this kind of seeding. So first would be lack of awareness. Second would be, I've realized that some people do not have an Aadhaar. So the process of Aadhaar enrollment takes a very long period of time, and then they are waiting. So that's another challenge why they're not able to seed. Thirdly could be, of course, there is a lot of misinformation also, where groups or individuals who might have motives which are not the most beneficial for people might be spreading information which is incorrect, which is false. So I believe these three reasons are why Aadhaar seeding is lesser in the state of Meghalaya. So I can just speak for the supply department because I'm director of supply. The policy is that Government of India has mandated now that we need to link all beneficiaries to their Aadhaar. Through repeated office memorandums, the latest one in March, they have said that we need to achieve 100% Aadhaar seeding of all ration card beneficiaries, all NFSA beneficiaries. And if we don't do that, then our entitlement will get affected. So this is not, since NFSA, National Food Security Act, is a Government of India scheme. This is not a state scheme. So we have to follow their guidelines. So the status as of now is that complying to that order of Government of India, we are trying to achieve Aadhaar seeding of ration cards. And it is only a matter of time whenever Government of India decides, if they give us the instruction that okay, now whoever has not seeded their Aadhaar to ration card, you stop, we will have to. But as of now, they have not given that final instruction. So as of today, nobody is being denied their ration just because they don't have Aadhaar seeding done. So we have around 21 lakh beneficiaries of NFSA in the state, out of which EKYC, which is basically the complete authentication of Aadhaar, has been done for only 49% beneficiaries, which means around 10 lakh people. Okay, here's the thing. If you have such technical questions, ideally you're supposed to give. So under NFSA, there are two types of beneficiaries. One is called PHH, priority households, where each beneficiary gets 5 kilograms of rice per month. And the other type of beneficiary is the Antyodaya Ann Yojana beneficiary, where each eligible family gets 30 kilograms of rice per month.